In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple cryptocurrency trading strategy that anyone can use, that even your grandmother can use. It is so simple. And this strategy would help you in a bull market to maximize on your profits for those that are looking to trade the bull market uptrend, and everyone could apply it. And now the strategy consists of only one indicator, which is called the Stochastic RSI. RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index, which basically just shows us when a move is about to go down and when a move is about to go up. Now, when we are on a trending market which is going only upwards, the stochastic RSI is very good at predicting when this market is going up, and we can also use it to buy the dips. Basically, this is a perfect strategy for a bull market, and it is very simple. So this is the TradingView website where basically you can find all the coins you're interested in. And now let's say we're gonna start with any coins that we are interested into buying. Let's say, as we've seen in this previous video here where I showed the major coins that I'm looking to buy and I'm looking to capitalize on in this next bull market. Now we can use basically a coin like Fetch AI, which is FET USDT. Let's say you're looking to buy this coin. So as you can see, this is a clean daily chart of FET AI. So basically daily means when you go here to this tab, this D stands for daily, and then you have the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hours, the 4 hour. This is a very simple strategy. Now we can use it either on the 4-hour time frame, this is the 4 hour, or the 1 day. So the strategy works better on the 4-hour charts and also on the daily as well. When we have a bull market, things are going fast and we want to be looking at smaller time frames like the 4-hour, but not lower than that. So only the 4-hour or the daily. Once we have a bull market, we want to look only onto those. Now we're gonna go onto the 4-hour chart and we're gonna go and look into the data from all this move up that we had happening here, right? So we had this whole move coming upwards like that, right? So this whole move, we want to see that, we can see that this move was not a straight shot like that, but instead there were a lot of ups and downs like that. The market was just moving like that, and this is what we want to capitalize on. And especially like sometimes you could just hear about a coin and you want to buy it and then you come in and you are here, right? So you want to wait for a good entry point, and this is when this stochastic RSI tool gonna help us, right? So now we're gonna remove all that, and to look for this indicator, you basically go to this indicator tab here, you press stock with the CH, and then usually it's gonna get proposed to you, which is the full one, stochastic RSI. So it is this one, and now we have it here. That's how it looks like. So now when we go to the 4-hour, we're gonna notice something very interesting. Now on the 4-hour, you will notice that, let's say in this dip, you will notice that whenever there is a dip on the stochastic RSI, like here, when it dipped here, whenever the blue line gets on top of the orange line, we get a move upwards from that side, right? So this is usually whenever we are in a bull market in the coin and it's trending, like we have here, this is usually a good moment to buy. Like as you can see here, it kept rallying. Now let's say you missed this move and then we are going again on the 4-hour, and then we can see that this move spent some time here and we're waiting until the, let me make it clearer and bigger. So what we want to see is, you can see that clearly as soon as this green candle closed, that the blue line came on top of the orange line and we're clearly moving up. So now if we enter here, now this is not a day trading strategy or something that you can go in and out very quickly, but this is more for a bull market strategy. And now you can see if we entered here, we've spent some time going sideways, and then finally we had our move up, right? So if you're also wondering when it's the right time to sell, now usually when this comes to this upper band here, and then the yellow, the blue line comes below the orange line, that's usually the time to buy. So as we speak, we can see now that we are having somewhat of a reversal again, and this could be another bottom before another move up. Now let's look for other examples in this strategy. And the strategy basically works for all the coins that you can see here. Now if we go back again, lower, so whenever there is this one again here predicted this move up, and then it kept going. This is a strategy that's gonna save you a lot of stress, because a lot of people make the mistake of buying into a super green candle like here, right? So usually people buy into FOMO, and when the market is going straight up, shooting to the moon like that. And this tool here will help you find those optimal entries and not FOMO around here, and then get the market dumping on you. As you can see here, when it was pumping, we had this the whole time. The stock RSI was on this upper band, and even when we topped, and this is also a bad signal when this stock RSI is moving lower like that, and then the price is moving up. This is usually bearish, and this you want to also take a note and know about. Now, if anyone that was looking to buy FET and FOMO'd here and didn't know about this strategy, now he's at a loss. Although now we may also keep going up, but this is not an optimal entry, and the people that bought at the top here are probably stressed out and waiting for the coin to come up to their entry and waiting for this to happen, and then they will sell, and probably the coin will keep going up, and this will even stress them more. So this strategy is gonna save you a lot of stress and also money. Now you can see that anyone who struggled with their emotions and bought at the top, if they only waited for the stock RSI to come back to the lower band here where we see the zone, and then wait for it to just curl back up, they would have bought here instead of buying at the top here, right? And they would be in a way better position. So that's what this strategy is for. This strategy is very useful to have on your toolbox once we have an upward trending market like this one here. And we can keep going the whole way. Whenever we have a dip on this, whenever we have a dip here, we have a dip here, and whenever we cross, usually we get a pump here, as you can see. Also here again, and whenever we crossed, we kept pumping. Now the point is, it has to be an upward move. We have to be in a bull market. I'm putting out this video now just to prepare you for the bull market that is coming, and you do not make the mistakes that I've made in previous bull markets and buying at the tops and selling at the bottoms. This strategy will save you a lot of stress and a lot of money. There is one thing that you also need to know, is that sometimes the dip keeps dipping, and that's one thing that could happen, is that you could buy here, and then the stock RSI would keep going down, and also the price would just keep going ranging. You do not buy until we see the confirmation is that the blue line gets on top of the orange line. Although you may miss a little bit of the low, but it will save you some stress, because sometimes we don't know if this thing gonna stop or not. So if it just drops like that, the RSI will also keep dropping with it, so we wanna wait. Now I hope this strategy is helpful, and now you have it on your toolbox to help you on this upcoming bull market and keep you stress-free and protect your capital. We can even try it in any coin. Let's say Dogecoin, right? When Dogecoin was trending, and let's say Dogecoin gets trendy again. Now, let me just remove these lines I've already drawn here, and we can see it from a daily perspective as well. So depending on the coin, if you can see that the stock RSI is better at predicting some coins at the 4 hours, and it is better at predicting some coins at the 1-day chart. So usually coins with a higher market cap would work on the daily, and the coins with lower market caps, usually you want to go for the 4 hours. So as we can see that the Dogecoin is just ranging, so it is basically just in a range, we want to go on the daily. And when we go on the dailies, give us much clearer data. So now on the daily, we can see that we spent some time here. Also the stock RSI spent some time here, but as soon as the blue line closed above the orange line, we had a pump up, right? And again here, we had this downtrend, and then as soon as the orange line topped here, even though at some point we were at a loss, but then eventually the market went up, right? So this is a strategy that you use for when you want to get into a coin and you don't know when to buy, and instead of doing this like most people do, now everyone here thought that the Dogecoin is going up to the moon, and then the stock RSI was flipping, the orange line was getting on top of the blue line right here, and now everyone was thinking it's going up. And we, as sneaky smart investors, we wait for the stock RSI to give us the signals, and we wait for this to happen. And usually it's better when this consolidates and it is showing that the blue line is getting on top of the orange line. So I hope this video was helpful and you've learned something new, and now you are equipped for the bull market to come, so you do not FOMO on these huge pumps, and you know exactly what to do, when to buy, and you have one simple strategy, one simple indicator to use. You have it on your toolbox right now. If you enjoyed this video, press a like button and subscribe for more videos like those, and also videos on market updates and coins to buy. And also, if you want a more in-depth strategy that you can use daily to day trade, you can watch this video here. Cheers.